How to downgrade iOS 18 beta to 17 with or without iTunes. If you want to downgrade back to iOS 17 after updating to iOS 18 beta, what to do? This video will guide you on how to downgrade iOS 18 beta to 17 with or without iTunes. How to downgrade iOS 18 to iOS 17 with iTunes. Go to download the correct IPSW file that matches your device. Connect your iPhone to your computer and turn off its Find My iPhone. Open the latest version iTunes. Hold down the Shift key, then click the Restore iPhone button. Select the iOS 17 IPSW file you just downloaded. Click the Restore button. Wait for the process to complete. How to downgrade iOS 18 to iOS 17 without iTunes. Make sure the latest iTunes is installed on the computer. Go to the iSunshare official website. Download and install iSunshare iOS Repair Genius on your PC. Run the software. Select the iOS upgrade/downgrade. Click Downgrade iOS option. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Select the firmware package version. Click Download and wait patiently for the firmware package to finish downloading. Click Start button. Click OK to continue. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods.